And I really don't know if it is because I've never experienced it, but I'm almost certain from the parents to the young men and young ladies with this diagnosis feel much more comfortable and have an opportunity to have a life that they call their own with their disorder. So on behalf of the mayor, Clerk Kilkelly, Treasurer Schwab, the aldermen and the citizens of this great city, we say thank you for opening up this very important education institution for the men and women throughout Lake County, more particularly Waukegan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. So on 3, you're gonna go down. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Folks in the city of Waukegan have been very supportive to help us get this center open. And you know, we just could not be more delighted to be a part of your community and to serve your constituents. The services that are provided through the Place for Children with Autism can be life-changing, not just for the life of the child, but for their family and for their community. So thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to be here.
Absolutely. I am excited for you.
This is a full day program, so kids are here from 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. Yeah, ages 2 to 6. So this is an alternative to school. So maybe if a child doesn't have a good placement in school because they need extra support, or they can't support their specific needs, they can come here instead. And every child has a one-on-one therapist that's working on their skills. Yeah, so it's one-to-one. And the VCBAs oversee the caseload.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is our large gym area. Well, it will be a large gym area after we get a better grip on COVID. Right now it's our staff room. So that's where you're saying this is where they eat lunch and take breaks, things like that.
All right.
Yeah. And so most the children that we provide services for here are ages 2 through 6. And so they are typically in that preschool age, but having a full day program like this is really unusual. Most times it's kind of an after school type program or in-home program. And so this really offers, you had mentioned a bit about the respite of this other program that you were talking about that it provides for families. This does provide that for families as well, that they know that their child is in a full day program that's incredibly intensive, but also in a preschool-like setting. So it is engaging, it is fun. You see these kids smiling and just having a great time, but they are learning such essential skills throughout the course of the day. So they are working with multiple therapists during the day under the supervision of our 2 BCBAs.
And it looks just like a traditional preschool. There's circle time, music, art, dance. All right. This is Dr. Lappin. We are at the Place for Children with Autism in our Waukegan location. We just wrapped up with our ribbon cutting ceremony with Mayor Sam Cunningham. It went fantastic. We're just so excited to be in this community. We are now enrolling ages 2 to 6 with a diagnosis of autism. Feel free to contact us at our outreach department if you need assistance.